dress. And you should know this by the way I finesse. Or you could see it way before I come. Ain't gotta say where I'm from, don't act dumb, I'm from Oakland.
Hey yo, what's up with everybody? Good morning. I hope everybody's staying sanitary and environmentally friendly today. It's a good day. It was really cloudy and foggy, like marine layer overcast this morning. Sun burnt it off and we're mad chilling. Oh no, my tail light fell out of my trailer. Oh, I'm so mad at that shit. Well, that blows. I just saw the harness dangling. Whore bitch cunt skunt. Well, looks like I'll be doing some trailer modifications and upgrades. Damn, I'm so mad at that. I can't tell you how mad I am at that. But anyway, getting back in the in the era of love and of happiness, and this is the Fresh Prince's new definition of summer. Mad to see some of y'all didn't even click on that. I'm going to help Aaron go take his car from other Aaron's house, and we're gonna shoot it on up to Twinkie, I guess. We're cleaning Aaron's car up. Other Aaron, Crown, he went ahead and pulled the engine out, so the engine is out of the car already. I mean, he actually had it knocked out. He hit me up yesterday telling me the car was ready to roll. I've been in such a blur, I didn't know what day it was any damn way, because we just dropped the car off, I think it was Wednesday or Thursday, and he's hitting me yesterday talking about the car's ready to go. So that boy is working. I'm gonna do my part to keep this situation rolling, and we are gonna go pick the car up and then drop it off at SAC. I'm waiting on Aaron to come. It was mad traffic. I actually just got home, so it's mad traffic on the freeway, so I know that he's got a journey to deal with that. I just went up and around and took the scenic route. If you can't tell by the sweat, it's like 900 degrees out here. But you know what I'm saying? We got the famous Fairin. Whoa, no, it's the tale of two Aarons.
Oh, yeah. How do we decide this? We have Fairin Aaron, and then, I mean, it's like black Aaron or white Aaron. I guess that's the only
But that's a little too dry. That's, you know, it's too standard, right? Okay, so we got Fairin Aaron. Damn.
You know what? We'll figure out my name. We're gonna figure out my name.
Matter of fact, Mike, that's your job. And no, not just that's nigga Aaron and that's white Aaron.
That's all you gonna say.
Yeah. But he did maximum work. Literally, dude, I'm telling you, he texted me the other day and was like, car's ready to go. We dropped it off the night before, so the motor's been out, but we're picking it up. Put the hood on. It's gonna head up north. It's going to Twinkie. He's gonna do a little bit of body work and get that all taken care of. So we're keeping that ecosystem rolling. And man, once again, Aaron for crushing it.
Man.
Dude is, man, hey, look, I'm telling you.
Yeah, hey man, I'll take care of you for sure.
For sure. So again, check his channel out. Links in the description. Let's get it rolling. You know what I'm saying? Wrench on things is what he does. And look at that. Look.
He's on that vlog life.
So we about to get him to get in this content. See y'all at Twinkies.
After these messages, we'll be right back. Yeah.
Whoa. How that sun look? Look at that sun. Then look at me. Look at that sun. Then me. Clean this shit up. Yeah, it's hot as hell too. Mike rolling up. You mad cooling. Hold up. Who Mike got with him? Better be Nita. I'm looking like a motherfucker, right? Okay. Woo! Whooping. Ain't got no New Balances on. I'm disappointed. His new attire is supposed to be a little dad hat. He's wearing the right shirt, some shorts, and some New Balances. That's what vet owners have.
I ain't a vet owner. I'm a nigga with a vet. You don't know what I'm talking about? It's okay.
Okay, there is a big difference. I feel it.
I think I'm gonna change the gloves.
Why? It's quiet inside. It sounds good. It sounds good. You're tripping. You want to hear more inside the car. Outside the car sounds hella good. No, I'm telling. Okay.
All right.
Inside sounds probably muted, but outside sounds hella good.
Inside is real.
It's muted. Yeah. Boy, this got AC. God damn. I like it. It sounds really nice. Mike is kind of on the fence about how it sounds because the interior is so muted, and that's how the Mustang is as well. The Mustang sounds super good outside, but the interior is really muted. So let me not get killed by Camry. I'm gonna give him the D cell right here so that he can hear that. Mustang with some tire stickers. Mike, he's on you.
All right, look. I mean, this is cheating though. This is full straight pipe, yo.
Stop, don't you see the night?
Nah, I see the straight pipe. I know it's about to be chomping. Let it idle, pussy. No. Why? So you just cold rev this shit? Oh, no, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. Oh, hey, I think I see that.
All right, we about to drop this car off real quick. I'll be right back.
Terrible work ethic.
So I don't know if this is real or not, but some of y'all that are OG, y'all know who this was, right? Google all traction Eclipse GSX. It's a piece of OG street racing history.
2 hours later.
Yo, I'm against bolt-ons, but why does that look fresh though? That's a Callaway? No, I mean,
That's a custom kit this dude's making right now. Let me turn it sideways.
I'm kind of with it though. Oddly, I'm with it.
That's why I was like, I don't like things that look like rocket boots.
Yeah. That's
I'm like,
exactly
this kind of looks
it. Yeah.
hard. Only thing I don't like is that back.
It's got
vent
this,
back there.
the C6 vent. It shouldn't have the C6 vent because this does. Yeah, nope.
Yeah, I'm like, But I was like, maybe it'll.
I fucks with it though. Oddly.
That's all right. So you feel how I felt? I was
Yeah.
like,
I don't want to like it, but I like it.
I look, bro. When I was looking through wide bodies, and when I seen this last night, I was like, I don't like it, but I like it. I'm like, why? I'm like, I can't believe I like it.
Is
But
there a picture of it from the rear? Wow. Damn. Oh, you got a rear. Oh yeah, you do got the corner lens. Yeah, I hate those that they do that.
Nah, it's still
Just cover it.
Nah, it still keeps it.
I know it keeps it, but god damn.
This is like what it looked like in the making. That shit is out there.
Jesus. You're gonna have to get 20-inch wide wheels.
Where is it?
Cause this already takes 12s, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we out here in this world with Chick-fil-A, only curbside pickups, because we didn't feel like getting in line. We gotta have our mask on in this world. So we back. Fuck this mask. We back. We dropped off the car to Twinkie, and Aaron's about to jam. Mike's about to jam too, but we decided to get a little something to eat. So we pulled out the RX-8 and just drove the little bucket around, hella ashy. Look at that little ashiness and cat prints and shit all over my damn car. I'm telling y'all be sleeping on this, and I'm glad a lot of people sleep on this, but a lot of people don't sleep on the Vet. As far as the wheelbase is for what works, gripping and drifting, you can have like a lot of success with these two cars. It's been proven with the Vet quite a bit more recently now. Everybody's jumping on them, which is dope. I'm trying to get Mike to grip this. He's gonna keep it as a daily. It's not gonna be overpowered. We're gonna do a track day.
Though. I mean, I got feel, or not a feel, but
Let's just run that motherfucker with this floppies.
fuck no. I'll have me out there understeer. Huh?
He got GTR rims. He hitting with the GTR wheels.
He is on dubs. I did used to have that bumper.
But yeah, we're gonna get Mike to go grip. Joe McGuigan always be like, let's go. Let's get out there, SF Speed Track Day.
I just need my coilovers and I'm down. I might
Just-
put a PBM angle kit on here though. I did a
You have
U-turn
to,
by your
because
house
this,
and I was
yeah.
like,
Did you see the angle this guy that's killing my inner fender wheels? You gotta just put steering angle on everything.
I couldn't
Fuck
even
it.
make a U-turn at your corner, bro. I was like, oh, this
And my
remind
truck
me of,
and
like,
trailer
old
did
school
that.
SN95 Mustang days. I couldn't make a U-turn at the end of the block. No angle. I'm like, oh, this is weak sauce.
Yeah, there's a few angle kits you can slap on this and get some good money out of it.
Man, I tried to pop the clutch to start slipping. I was like, nope.
You're gonna
Okay.
do a clutch when you do the motor though, huh?
Because we're gonna drop the motor down when we do the heads and the. But this shit got like a little chip on it.
Yeah, I saw that.
I was like, what the hell?
See. oh no, see, we about to leave. We about to talk. He can't talk about, you know what I'm saying, classified information. We about to chill. I'll check y'all on the next
Aaron
one.
trying to snitch on us.
With this experience gained. I hope y'all have a good one, man, and come back with the next vlog. We're gonna do some other shit.
No, it was me. This nigga wanna say my name.
Snitch, you know what I'm saying? Mike snitching. So that nigga finna eat in his face.
I'm hungry.